Today I came here, I saw ice skating and they were like performing so beautifully. I want to explain the physics behind this. Whenever the blades, whenever the skaters are on the floor, why are they kind of slipping? Why is it so slippery? What is making them so easy to skate? It's like whenever the blades come in contact with the ice, due to the pressure, there is a layer of water formed between the blade and the ice, and the blade that they are wearing, that helps them like slip over the ice due to the layer of water formed in between, and that is the physics behind.
नेपाली अब झण्डा उचाल्छ खुकुरी छ कम्मरमा मलकेको बाल छ दुनियाँलाई देखाउँछु भनी घर छाडी हिँडियो रसियन फ्रेन्च फिलिपिनो ब्रिटिस नि चिनियो